Strengthening for regeneration. Listen to this daily as regeneration takes time. Consistency and discipline will ensure a rewarding experience. As you listen, focus on what you want to regenerate. It could be cells, tissues, organs, systems, or body parts. First, we'll strengthen the midline to accept all energy commands. We'll remove all resistance to improvement, belief, and progress. We'll eliminate all misinformation, misperceptions, and misinterpretations from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, society, family, and yourself that regeneration is impossible, or if possible, not for you. We remove beliefs that extraordinary things or miracles don't happen to you. We erase everything from your mind and others' minds completely and permanently, with zero effect 100% of the time, infinitely. We remove all victim mentality, defeatist thoughts, hopelessness, disbelief, and self-pity. We clear out stagnant emotions, sensations, and reactions embedded in the area you want to regenerate. We eliminate worry, fear, anguish, anxiety, and despair about what you're trying to regenerate. We'll make you strong and neutral to regenerate or not regenerate, to be fast or not fast, slow or not slow, and strong in all options 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time, infinitely. Will boost strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination in the area you want to regenerate. Let's remove energetic waste, larvae, and entities from any dimension that are blocking your neutrality. We fill that entire area you thought of with neutrality energy and remove all negative energy from you, from below and above you, from the right and left, inside, outside, behind, and in front of you, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We detox the area of viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, waste, dead and dying cells, and diseased cells. We also remove heavy metals, toxins, drug residues, and memories of physical traumas and limitations. We erase all this and its effects, sending it to the lymphatic system, ducts, fluids, and glands. We'll remove direct, indirect, and partial curses that caused you harm, whether done, received, seen, heard, or ordered. We'll eliminate memories of diseases related to that area, both yours and others. We remove remnants, vestiges, traces, leftovers, and impressions of everything we've just eliminated and send it to other universes, existences, and dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. Will boost regeneration in that area as quantum particle, atom, molecule, and cell. Will also remove it as tissue, organ, system, and structure. We reduce degeneration in the area in the same way. All of this at 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time for eternity. Let's boost the area's energy to be strong, to travel faster than light, slower than light, and at light speed to heal and regenerate. We'll optimize blood flow to ideal levels. Let's strengthen, repair, tighten, and relax peripheral nerves. We'll boost damaged nerve tissue regeneration and reduce degeneration. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely, we'll strengthen glucose to maintain optimal levels. Let's boost new cell production and bone formation if needed. Strong for this, 100% infinite potential all the time, forever. Let's enhance cell proliferation. Strengthen stem cells in damaged tissues to activate and divide, producing new cells. We'll also boost cell differentiation during proliferation. Let's strengthen specialized cells to form specific tissues or organs. Empower them to move to their destination and adopt specialized functions. Enhance cell migration to replace damaged or dead cells in the right places. Ensure proper integration into the tissue and organ structure. Boost tissue adhesion and rebuilding to connect with the extracellular matrix. Improve cellular organization to form proper tissue and organ structure and function. Strengthen this process completely and permanently with infinite potential. Will make you strong to regenerate or not, to degenerate or not. To realize or not, same or different, change or not, perceive or not. Let's strengthen this octagon and send it to other universes, dimensions, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. Strong for all positive and non-positive things. Strong to be mindless, spiritless, and empty. Strong for weight changes, attracting others or not, and self-perception. Will strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, vertices, and their interactions. We strengthen them 100% with infinite potential all the time, forever. Let's erase all that hinders, limits, or blocks your ability to regenerate what you need. We'll also remove all traces and remnants of everything we've erased here. And we send it to other universes, dimensions, dark energy, wormholes, and unknown places. What's erased is gone to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, forever. Strong to reset, recalibrate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel now? The same or different?